Okay, so reducing noise. If you click on your picture here, settings of privacy, and then data privacy, there's lots and lots of options, but who can reach you? Messages. You can turn off these, turn off in-mail messages, reduces the noise. I don't see why you need them. And then if you go to notifications, now for some reason I get loads of searching for job notifications, so there's lots here. Just turn that off. I don't want those, and that reduces the amount of stuff that's coming into my emails. There's lots of other things you can turn on and off as you feel appropriate. Do those things, reduce the noise. Hope that helps.